Each Japanese verb has 5 main forms or stems. Negative, non-past, mas. Dictionary. Conditional if. Volitional let's. Most verbs end in iru-eru are Ichidan verbs. Let's check the verb kiru, to wear, to put on body. As an example, kiru, to wear, I wear, will wear. Get rid of ru. Here is one stem ki for all 5 forms. Kinai, do not wear, not to wear. Kimasu, I wear, will wear. Kiru, to wear, I wear, will wear. Kireba, if I wear. Kiyo, let's wear. Easy peasy, right? But some verbs end in iru-eru are Godan verbs with 5 different stems. Let's check the verb kiru, to cut, as an example. Dictionary form kiru. Following hiragana chart, change the ending ru to ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Kiranai, do not cut, not to cut. Kirimasu, I cut, I will cut. Kiru, to cut, I will cut. Kireba, if I cut. Kiro, let's cut. Still confused? Ask your question in the comments. Thanks for watching.